Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. And today, guys, we here with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with Weekend. Boop. Weekend in bracket, boop. So, my G sent me that one, yeah. But obviously, because I have COVID, they kind of mash up for react to it. Kind of feel a bit stronger now, so we're there with it. So we're going to jump in on here with the lava. Say. Let's go.
You know, it's it, man.
Hold on, not nice rhythm. This street vibes rhythm. Street vibes rhythm. Okay. From here it start, me know it's a street vibes rhythm.
You know, it's it, man. Ask the building we bought from Street Vibes stairs that the
Bombo clad. Street vibes rhythm is back. So we say Dirty Money rhythm, aka Go Club rhythm forward and take off piece of December there. And now we see Street Vibes rhythm are dropping in January. Yeah. So alright, it's a trend, but not all producers should do this, you know. Not every producer should do this. Some have no big rhythm like them, you know. So on allow it to the big rhythms producers. Alright, let's go.
You know, it's it, man. Ask the building we bought from Street Vibes stairs that the girl that get such a feel, but then she no mermaid.
Ask the building we bought from Street Vibes Thursday. Street Vibes Thursday was Vibes Cartel event in the building at New Kingston. Regular time we did it.
You know, it's it, man. Ask the building we bought from Street Vibes stairs that the girl that get such a feel, but then she no mermaid. New Glock come with kitten and a first aid.
New Glock come with kitten and a first aid. You know what kind of kit him attack? You know what kind of kit? If you don't know, I'm not tell you, left it.
The girl that get such a feel, but then she no mermaid. New Glock come with kitten and a first aid. Not nice. We are bought from Clarks and Bali, I daddy shirt them. Cologne no phone, but call your girlfriend.
Fuck. Now you the metaphors and similes them out of this world, bro. Yo, the man, pull up. From top. Not nice. We need somebody classic them on this. We need Black Rhino up on this. We need Black Rhino up on the rhythm. I don't think if he was on... Was he on the first installment? No, Popcorn was. Popcorn was on it. Okay. We need Rhino up on it though.
You know, it's it, man. Ask the building we bought from Street Vibes stairs that the girl that get such a feel, but then she no mermaid. New Glock come with kitten and a first aid. Not nice. We are bought from Clarks and Bali, I daddy shirt them.
Clarks and Bali and Edda the shirt. You know from when them the dog? Clarks and Bali and Edda the shirt. Who remember when Edda the shirt just forward out? Edda the brand just forward out. Every man a rock Edda. Every man a rock Edda. Yo, I'm a joke, dog.
And the first aid. New Glock come with kitten and the first aid. Not nice. We are bought from Clarks and Bali, I daddy shirt them. Cologne no phone, but call your girlfriend. And my jeans foot.
Cologne no phone, but call your girlfriend. What? What is he saying? What is he doing?
Somebody I daddy shirt them. Cologne no phone, but call your girlfriend. And my jeans foot chop off no go head. Hey, Homestead. Boo.
What I'm say? Me jeans foot chop off no goat head?
Call your girlfriend. And my jeans foot chop off no go head. Hey, Homestead. Boo. Come we fuck up your weekend.
Yeah.
A million and up your G spend.
Yes.
Mama, me love your neatness. Bubble till it got it tougher than a 33 10. Yo. So we burn up your weekend. So we turn up your weekend. Up leave grab a day in the weed them. When you feel the berry to the guys a real friend alright. Boo. Stop that. Look good. Rifle a soundbox longer than push bro.
Yo. Hear me I say. I am giving 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 the most consistent artist of 2023 over here on this channel. I'm giving him that. Because he deserves that shit. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 deserves that shit. Who all have a problem with it? Suck on the woman. That me I tell you no. Anybody have a problem with that? On a bad mind. The boss drop 5 songs a week, brother.
Yo! But they not the weed them when you feel the baby that the girls a real friend alright.
Yeah.
Stop that.
Stop that.
Look good. Rifle a soundbox longer than push bro. She want murder, she no want good you. NCVT.
All I G them. All I G them the boss out there, you know.
Baby that the girls a real friend alright. Stop that. Look good. Rifle a soundbox longer than push
Yes,
bro. She want murder, she no want good you. NCVT. How about the chicken food soup?
How do chicken food soup? Sorry, I'm focusing on the video and I'm focusing on the lyrics. So if something when me hear me I say, what that, I go back. Sorry.
Stop that. Look good. Rifle a soundbox longer than push bro. She want murder, she no want good you. NCV.
She want murderer, she no want good youth. Big up Yaxter. She want murderer, she no want good youth. Big up Protege as well. We see Protege as well.
Good. Rifle a soundbox longer than push bro. She want murderer, she no want good you. NCVT. How about the chicken food soup?
NCVT, I want the chicken food soup.
That mark exposed truth. When it cheap, him them ask me, I wish scrub. Air Force white and the box for the cook food. Not nice.
Air Force white and the box for cook food. And you know them polystyrene box that with them give when they buy food around white. The man say Air Force white. Comparing to that.
For the chicken food soup. Drop that mark exposed truth. When it cheap, him them ask me, I wish scrub. Air Force white and the box for the cook food.
Jeez.
Not nice. Come we fuck up the weekend.
Yeah.
A million and up the G spend. Mama, me love your neatest. Bubble till it got it tougher than I thought the cheating. Yo. So we burn up the weekend. So we turn up the weekend. But please grab a day in the weed them. When you feel the baby that the girls a real friend alright. Any power me on a chaser. Don't slip it pan belly fade traitor. Not nice iPhone 15 straight dog. But we been a fuck y'all for a razor.
Not nice. iPhone 15 straight. Well, me not reach a 15 and still a 14. Me still there, but it's still alright, you see me? Still you can make call and receive call, you see me? Send text and receive text still, but the boss had say your iPhone 15 him thing there, but him a fuck girl from Razor phone. Uno too young for no Razor phone. Let's go.
Traitor, not nice iPhone 15 straight dog. But we been a fuck y'all for a razor. People see through my clip like clear glass. That make your girl wet and never rainfall.
People see through me clip like clear glass. So him a tell us say, you know them stylish clip there? Them stylish magazine where they gonna them have more time. At that upon them glass.
Razor, people see through my clip like clear glass. That make your girl wet and never rainfall. At the life I would change for. Yeah, we work and kill and rave hard. So we turn up a weekend.
Work and rave and
kill. Up a G-spin, yo. Mama, me love your neatness. Bubble till it cock it tougher than I thought the cheating, yo. So we turn up a weekend. So we burn up a weekend, yo. But please grab a day in the weed them. When you feel the baby that the girls are real friends. The building we bought from street vibes. There's that the girl that gets such a feel, but then she no mermaid. New Glock come with kitten and a first aid. Not nice. We are bought from Clarks and Bali and the shirt them. Alone my phone but call your girlfriend. Hey. And my jeans foot chop off no go head. Hey, who I'm said. Boo boo. Come we fuck up your weekend. A million and up your G spend. Mama, me love your neatness. Bubble till it got it tougher than I thought the cheating.
Bad.
So we turn up a weekend.
I will show this.
So we burn up a weekend. But please grab a day in the weed them. Yo.
Bumbo clot. Yo, can I tell you? Listen to me argument. Can I tell you? Chronicle is out of this world, bro. Yo, Chronicle is out of this fucking world, bro. Yo, who else better to start the rhythm with than Chronicle, bro? Come on. Who else better to start the... I did see a preview of this, but it's really worth the wait. Had the video well put together. Some show them there. We show that. Look like, not some face that too long for this song. I will show that. Them there some show anyway. Yo, that was fucking fire, bro. Labas. Like I said earlier, and I'm giving Labas the most consistent artist of 2023, bro. No man no drop more song than him. Nobody no drop no more song than Chronicle this last year, brother. Yeah, last year now, cause the 1st of January now. Yo, this I got up and repeat, bro. This bad, no joke. I love that saga. Love that. The man comparisons them, the man metaphors and similes them different. The man say him Air Force. The man say, listen now, man. The man say him Air Force whiter than the box when you get your cook food in. Remember when you go shopping, dog? Go buy food at a restaurant if you take away, you know. Remember, see them getting some white polystyrene box, you know. Picture the box with no food in it. Picture the box with nothing like that. Just come out of the plastic, clean. I saw the man Air Force White. Yo, bumbleclad. What a comparison, dog. Where can the club meds, bro? Where can the club meds when him say some things, bro? No, sir. This different, bro. Can the club pick up your bumbleclad self, dog? Not nice. Pick up yourself, show out already me again. You see me? Pick up your fucking self. All the people that are Chronic Club, man. Drop a like on the video, man. I want to know, man. Subscribe around here if you're new, man. Guess what I'm going to do? If you don't want to hear our next Chronic Club reaction, if you don't see it yet, see it up on the screen. Make sure you go and watch that one, alright? Yeah. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.